हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए राइट, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, मास ऑफ पार्टिकल m एंड चार्ज दिया है, मूव्स विथ कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी v along the positive x direction. So let us make here what is given in the question. So let us take this is positive x direction. Okay, it enters a region containing a uniform magnetic field b directed along negative z direction. Okay, extending from x is equal to a to b. So let us take this is x axis. So let us I am taking here this is x is equal to a here, and this is x is equal to b. So in this region there is uniform magnetic field and directed in the negative direction of z axis. So that can be taken like this. So it in this region magnetic field is like this. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, now it is moving with constant velocity, right? So let us say the particle moves with constant velocity v and charge is given q. So it is entering at this point. Okay, all right. So now the minimum value of v required so that the particles can just enter a region in x greater than v. I mean क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहा है कि इस पार्टिकल के पास कम से कम कितना वेलोसिटी रहे ताकि ये b के बियॉन्ड वाले रीजन में एंटर कर जाए, राइट? सो आई कैन सी, सो लेट अस सी दिस इज यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, तो right, and this charge is entering perpendicular to the uniform magnetic field, so it will go in the circular path. Okay, so the radius will be how much? C. Radius will become mv upon q into b. See, right, the mass is given m, v is given constant velocity, right, velocity v, charge is given q, and magnetic field, let us assume it is b. B, and magnetic field is also given b, right? So this is the radius. Now if the charge particle wants to enter the region beyond b, this radius must be greater than this length. So this length will be how much? See, this length will be b minus a. So I can say here the radius must be greater than equal to b minus a, right? Then only it can enter into the region beyond b. Now let us see now. Okay, so the radius is how much? See, I am calling this equation 1 and this is equation 2. So right, using equation 1 and 2, I can say mv upon qb must be greater than equal to b minus a. So v will be how much? V can be greater than equal to qb b minus a upon m. So this equality I have got. So in the question I need to find the minimum value. Alright, or you can say if the speed is greater than equal to this, right, then only it can enter a region beyond b. Okay, so what is the minimum value possible for which it can enter the region? So from here easily I can say v min will be equal to this qb b minus a upon m. So see which option is coming? q b minus a b upon m. So it is obviously option B. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.